Hello, everybody. It's Isaac here, and today I'm going to be talking about startup. So, a startup company, you know, is an entrepreneurial venture which is typically a new, emerge, fast-growing business that aims to meet the marketplace need by developing a viable business model around an innovative product, service, process, or platform. A startup is usually a company designed to effectively develop and validate a scalable business model. So this is what I'm going to be talking about today, guys. See you in a second. So, like I said, basically, this is the startup picture or image that I have to show you guys today, and I'm going to read exactly what you see here in the image. So, as you can see, it looks like a cube, and basically uh, on the shapes of X and Y axes or diagonal and horizontal. Well, on the horizontal ones, uh, it talks about the growth, ambition, and team commitment. So I guess the red indicates the higher growth, ambition, and also the higher team commitment. And also the diagonal, let's say north one says market opportunity. So market opportunity can mean how big it is or how small it is. And on the other side, market timing can also mean how good or too early or late. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Oh, I forgot the south. Well, the south ones are scalability, so how low or how high it can be, and team structure is balanced skill and ownership or solo, and so that's for that one. Uh, in the second image that I have for you guys is about the formation, validation, and growth. So I'm just gonna read a little bit about that. Um, So, investors are generally most attracted to those new companies distinguished by their strong co-founding team. A balanced risk-reward profile in which high risk due to untested, disruptive, innovative is balanced out by high potential returns and scalability. The likelihood that a startup can expand its operations by serving more markets or more customers. Attractive startups generally have lower bootstrap self-funding or startup by the funders, cost, high risk, and high potential return on investment. Successful startups are typically more scalable than an established business in the sense that the startup has the potential to grow rapidly with a limited investment of capital, labor, and or land. Timing has often been the single most important factor for biggest startup successes, while at the same time it's identified to be one of the hardest things to master by many surreal entrepreneur and investors. So in the formation, you gotta have a mission, vision, and strategy, and it's about the co-founder team formation, what, to whom, and why and how, and Then the validation is lean startup, minimum viable product, and growth is scale up, establish, and so the first is ideating, then concepting, committing, validating, scaling, and then establishing. So that's basically the phase of startup. Thank you guys for listening to this video. Hope that you guys uh, learn something from this and continue to watch content on my YouTube channel, uh, Millennial Kingdom. Ciao.